Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you where you can find your style inspiration. Hey guys, my name is Delea from thedeleab.com and I'm a tailored streetwear designer for the creatively ambitious woman who wants to subtly stand out. My channel is about fashion design, style, and self, and right now we are currently doing a series on creating a style board and what that necessarily is and the value it'll have on updating your personal style. So if you didn't know, a style board is a reference point that you can use as you update your style. It's basically a visual guide that you can look at and reference as you build your wardrobe. It'll have the colors, textures, the mood, silhouettes, all of that jazz. So as you're shopping and you're grabbing things here and there and building your wardrobe, you use your style guide as a single reference point. In today's video, I'm going to share with you where you can find your style inspiration. I know there's a lot of places, a lot of sources, a lot of internet that you can go to where you can look these things up, but sometimes it can be overwhelming. I mean, I know that's what it was in my case. I didn't know where to start, how to start, what to look at, what qualified as a good source for my style. We're going to start the list off with Pinterest. Pinterest is essentially the creative Google, if you will. So like Google, Pinterest is a search engine, which means you can put in words to search, like a search engine. So you'll have keywords that you use. So if I want to look up my style is casual chic. So I'll start off by looking up that keyword, and then I'll find any inspiration or any photos that touch my heart, and then I'll pin it to a board, preferably a style board that's curated for this purpose. So a reason why I say Pinterest is a good place to pull inspiration for your personal style because of the search engine feature, but because it also just has a bunch of information. You can get celebrity style information, you can get the average person style information, you can get magazine, influencer, whatever. It's a great pool to pull from. But so if I search my casual chic style, I'll search that, but then it'll also have suggestions about summer or winter or wear all black. So it helps you move along the search to a more defined, refined, clarified target. So even if you may not know where you want to go, it'll help nudge you in a direction. Another platform you can use to get style inspiration is Instagram. Instagram is a visual platform, which means there are a bunch of pictures of brands and influencers and people wearing clothes. If you find an influencer or somebody whose style you like, you can easily follow them and mimic what they do. You can pull the images as references off of people's profiles and feeds, and you can save them so you can look back at it later. Instagram is good because it consolidates one person's style on their feed. So chances are if you like a few of a person's outfit, you'll like more of their outfits. So you can follow them and continuously gain inspiration for them. But not only that, you can link to similar accounts and follow other people who have similar style. Next, you can use blogs. You can use fashion blogs, you can use style blogs. Any blogs really that have some component to fashion and style. And I say this because just for the pictures, fashion and style focused blogs take a lot of pictures, so you get the angles, you'll see how things are worn, zoom in on details, zoom in on accessories, so you have a better idea of what or how to style what it is you want to wear. And then you can also have more pictures to collect. Blogs offer a more personal touch, so you sometimes get the story behind an outfit, why the blogger chose it, or what the blogger had in mind for it, like the mood they were going for. So that can help you with your mood of your wardrobe also. So if you guys were, trying to get the same mood, you're like, oh, this is perfect for what I'm trying to do. The next platform you can use to get style inspiration from is store websites. It may sound a little unconventional, but I mean, there are people who get paid to style these product shoots and promotional marketing material, so they kind of have to have an eye for styling. You can look how brands and stores are styling their product shoots, because chances are if you like a brand, you like the energy that they're giving, their vibe they're giving, the mood that they're giving, chances are you might appreciate how it's styled. You might be able to pull some ideas from how the store brand styled it. because if one item already relates to you, there's a likelihood that another item will relate to you too. Not always the case, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to look. Another place is the good old-fashioned magazine. I mean, for, I'm gonna say hundreds, nope, for decades. When were they printing magazines? I'm gonna look that up. For a very, very long time. Oh, that makes me sound so dumb. Okay, for a very, very long time, the magazines have been printed. Fashion magazines have been printed. Vogue, Style, Marie Claire. A lot of fashion magazines have been printed over the time, and for the very reason to offer you inspiration on what to wear, how to wear it, when to wear it. So if they're still being printed, you might as well use them as a resource. You can buy a subscription if the whole magazine resonates with you. I mean, don't just buy it for pictures. I would buy it for pictures, but be a better human than I am, because I really don't even know how long magazines have been published. So if a style or something resonates with your soul, buy the subscription. Or if you're in a store and you see something, take a photo on your phone. I mean, millennial. Another good place to get style information is from celebrities. Celebrities have access to all the fashions. Well, they have access to stylists who have access to fashions. You can use them as a point of reference for mood, for items, for silhouette, for whatever. Because I'm realistic, you may not be able to afford the clothes that the celebs are wearing. I know I cannot afford them right now. So you just want to use them as a reference. If someone's wearing a leather jacket, you can get a faux leather jacket from somewhere similar. You don't have to match the person's style exactly. Just, use it as inspiration, because that's what this list is for. That's what the guide is for. You don't have to follow everything exactly, but you just want a reference point to go from. So you can find pictures of celebrities on red carpets. You can find them in magazines, tabloids, on Pinterest, on Google, Instagram. I don't know if I said that. Wherever celebrities are, you can find images of them. And another way for you to get style inspiration is by just trying things out. You don't know what's going to work with your personal style unless you try things out. What fits one person one way will fit you another way. And that's completely okay. We're all human. We're all different. So if you try a trend, try a style, make it work for you, personalize it for you, because that's what we're here about, to make you feel better, and rock it. Learn from it, do better. And that's basically all it is. So the best way to figure out what works for you is to try it out. If you don't like it, great. If you do like it, great. It's a learning thing. And we can also return items. So there's no guilt, no penalty for trying things out. Thank you guys for joining me for another video in the kickoff to the Style Guide series. If you like this topic and what I shared, I go in a little more in depth in the blog post, which will be linked down in the discussion box. It's basically the 5 platforms that I use for my own style strategy and the actual techniques and steps that I use to get there. So if you want more on that information, check the description box below. Beyond that, I want to hear from you. Where do you find your style inspiration? Leave a line in the comments below and we'll continue the conversation. Until next time, guys. Bye.